Welcome everybody to the first workshop on fairness of AI in medical imaging. With the rest of the organizing team, we are really happy that this is finally happening. We have been thinking about this event for many months before. And actually the event was initially proposed as a MICAI workshop. And then we decided to hold it as an independent event so that we can make it completely free and open to everyone and fully virtual. So today, I think we will be discussing really interesting topics around fairness of AI. This is actually a topic that has arrived to our medical imaging community a couple of years ago, and we haven't had, I think, the space for discussing it. So we hope this workshop will somehow cover that part. So as I was telling at the beginning, we are recording the event, so have that in mind. Also, please, during the presentations, you can post the questions in the chat, and we will maybe read them or even ask you to unmute to ask the questions in case it's needed. I think, so we are recording. So I think these are all the necessary messages from the beginning. I will invite Ben to share one poll that we are organizing to start the event. So Ben, the floor is yours.
Yes, thank you, Enzo. Hello, everyone. Ben Glocker here from Imperial College London. We thought we'd start by getting a little bit of information about who's joining us today. So we would love to hear a little bit more about the audience. So we have prepared a little poll. So if you can please go to menti.com, and I will just share my screen so you can also see this. So go to menti.com, type in the code 4424373, and you should be able to see the first slide of the poll. And if you do see, please give us a heart so we can see that people are joining. Excellent, very nice. Okay, good. When everyone is there, I will start the first question. So the first questions are really just to get to know each other a little bit better and who's in the room. So please type what would best describe your career stage. We get an idea, and you can see the poll results are coming in live. It's great to see that we have a lot of students in the room. That is really what we wanted to see. Good mix of senior, postgraduate, and student. Excellent, great. This looks nice. I think this is a good mix of people. So this will also, I think, help throughout the day with the discussions to have a good representation. So going to the next one, please let us know a little bit more about your age group. And you see in the bottom right, you can see how many people already voted. So this is really representative. Excellent, great. We will share those numbers later in case people are interested. And just give it a few more seconds. So 60 votes, 61. We have some people under 20. That's good to see as well. Excellent. The big majority of people between 21 and 40. Great, let's go to the next question. So we left this open. We'll see what people type. Of course, only do if you like. And we should get a live word cloud. This one is really interesting. Excellent. Thank you so much for participating. Let's go to the next question. Want to know a little bit how much people are distributed. Obviously, we understand that with the timing, we might have some difficulties from some parts of the world where it's middle of the night or early evening already. some people from Australia and New Zealand. That's great. Bit of a bias. European countries being represented quite well. I guess the Americas are still early morning waking up, so probably there will be more joining later. And another question about your background. Excellent, great to see some people from policy and regulation as well. Academia, I guess, expected. Nice to see a good portion of industry representatives as well. Great, thanks so much. And then for the last question, which will hopefully give us a little bit of an idea of what you're currently doing. I think it's the second last question. We wanted to see actually how much of people we are attracting who are already doing research in fairness and machine learning. And hopefully some people will maybe after the workshop decide that's an area where they may want to work on. Great, a lot of experts in the room, a lot of people doing research already in the field. That's great, thanks. And this one is the last question. So this one hopefully gives us later some ideas for the discussions, and also will be a good entry into our first speaker's presentation. We wanted to know whether you would currently see more opportunities or more risks for AI and its potential to address health disparities. So some positive vibes in the audience. That's good. A lot of people believing there are opportunities. Excellent. I think with these results, I hand back over to Enzo again, who is introducing our first speaker. Thank you.